Hello, dear friend. This is Sharon from DoveProxy. DoveProxy, based in the US, is a world-leading provider of mobile proxy and dynamic residential proxy, and is known for awesome customer services, data collection, market research, social account management, and more. DoveProxy has the stablest and cleanest mobile proxy within 30 minutes. The online rate of half an hour is more than 96%. DoveProxy's mobile proxy is highly anonymous and the cleanliness is more than 95%. So the pass rate of access is much higher to keep your data safe, clean, and reliable. DoveProxy has 180 million mobile IPs covering more than 190 countries and can be applied under three protocols of SOX 5, HTTP, and UDP. There are 4 access methods to apply our proxies for you to choose: API mode, high concurrency, time limit mode, and channels mode. Now I will show you how to use channels mode. Before you use the channel mode, please buy the traffic package firstly. You can visit DoveProxy's official website by clicking this website. Firstly, you sign up. Input your username, password, confirm password, select source. How did you find us? Google result, forum, social media, coupon site, and referral. Input your cell phone number and your email. We will verify your email, and you just input the verification code here, and then you click Sign Up button to finish sign up. After you sign up and become a user, you get your username and password to log in. We click Login button. Okay, now we can see the dashboard. Okay, now let's see the menus in the left. And this is the recharge button. Click this button. And then you can see the traffic package, concurrency package, and channel packages. Now click Enter channel packages. For example, you click package 1, $5, and channel quantity it is 1, channel available time 30 days. Okay, now you click the Buy Now button. You select the country. You can choose no preference, or you can choose detailed country which you need. Now we click no preference. Please pay attention that users in China mainland cannot access our service, and unused tokens can only be refunded within 7 days. Click OK button. The first step, please choose a payment method. There are 2 kinds of payment methods: traditional payment like Alipay, Perfect Money, and PayPal. Digital currency payment, Ethereum, Transcon. Okay, here I will show you how to pay by PayPal. You click the PayPal button and click Next Step button. Please note that because the PayPal transaction fee is very high, we will pay half of the PayPal transaction fee for you, and click the OK button. Okay, here you finish your PayPal pay. After you finish payment, you can see the order records here. After you confirm the purchase is okay, you can come to the menus on the left. Now we click the Proxies button. Now The proxy type is mobile proxy, and then we click the application scenario. Now we can see 4 different application scenarios: time limit mode, high concurrency mode, channels mode, and API mode. We click channels mode. Please note about the IP feature that IP can rotate automatically according to the set time. The IP from the channels will rotate automatically at the set time. Okay, now you click the Create button on the top right. To create a new channel, you input the channel name here. Choose IP type. Here we choose mobile proxy and country. The default country is UAE, and you can choose the country you need in the drop-down options. And then we click the Save button. IP rotation time. The IP rotating time ranges from 5 to 35 minutes, and you need input the integer number from 5 to 35. Here we input 6. And then you select the protocol, HTTP or SOCKS 5. Here we choose HTTP. Authentication methods. You can choose whitelist or username. Protocol version. You can choose all, which covers IPv4 and IPv6, or you can choose only IPv4 or only IPv6. IP filter method. You can choose randomly, or you can choose the close location. The choose close location. This is a very important function. If you need to do account farming, you can choose the close location so that the accounts will not be banned. Please note that the channel will be automatically closed if it is not used for more than 5 days. And now we click the Save button. Now, on the interface, we can see the channels already finished. This is the channel we just created. You can see different parameters: channel name, IP type, country, proxy server address, port name, the selected protocol, authentication methods, authentication password. IP rotating time is 6, and IP acquisition status is normal. Status is on. It means this channel is on right now. The protocol version, IPv6. Create time. So you can see the operate buttons here. You can edit, view, close, and reset the channel. Edit means you can edit the channel information. For example, we'll change the IP rotating time from 6 to 7. And then we click the Save button. Okay, now the IP rotating time is 7. Reset means you can change for another new IP when you think the current IP is not okay for you to use. After you click the reset, it will remind you successfully. So view, you can view these channels all information. Close means you can close the channel. Are you sure you want to close? If you click OK button, okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, now the status is off and the operate buttons only view and delete. What's important is that please note that the channel will be automatically closed if it is not yet used for more than 5 days. For whitelist IP, you can get here. You can click the menu in the left, this whitelist management button. You click the start testing button and the IP will show up. Then you click the add to whitelist button. So this new IP, it appears here. You can see the IP in the below whitelist of authorized users. If you want to edit these IPs, you can click the edit button right here. Now, after you finish the IP, you can click the save button. Okay, successfully. So now you can use the channel mode. Dear friend, DoveProxy is worth for you to try. Please contact us for free traffic package to try by clicking this website in the description below. You'll have access to get contacts to find us for more DoveProxy information. And thank you very much for watching our tutorial video. It's better for you to subscribe our YouTube at Dove IP and review our videos below. Your feedback is a great encouragement for us to show more and better contents. Thank you. See you next time.